Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name's Malia and you should definitely subscribe down below. So today's video is 30 things to do instead of your phone, and I know that at least a few of you watching, probably a lot of you, including myself, are guilty of thinking you're going to spend 10 minutes on your phone and then ending up being on your phone just scrolling through Instagram for 3 hours. Which is kind of crazy to think about, that we spend like 1 to 3 hours or even more a day on our phones just doing things when we could be enjoying the world, and we're never going to get that time back. So today I am going to be presenting to you 30 things to do instead of your phone, but I would like to take a minute to thank today's sponsor, which is the Invincible Collection. They sent me this super cute beanie, which I will be mentioning later in this video, but thank you to them for sponsoring this video, and all of their stuff will be linked in the description, including their shop and Instagram. So the first thing is to make someone smile or show them how much you appreciate them. The second thing to do is to sleep. Honestly, I mean, when you're sleeping, you're not on your phone, so the next thing to do is to take photos with an actual camera or like a Polaroid camera, because, you know, taking photos on your phone, you're on your phone, but oftentimes if you go on your phone to take photos, you'll just end up being on your phone for longer, and you'll end up on Instagram, on YouTube, Facebook, whatever. So if you take photos with a DSLR or a Polaroid, it can actually prevent you from being on your phone, and it's super fun, and you get to keep the memories on there. The next thing to do is to ride your bike or your scooter around your neighborhood. The next thing to do is learn to read music. I know that it might sound kind of weird, but learning music is honestly like a whole different language, and it's something useful to have, especially if you're into music. I definitely recommend learning it. It doesn't take that long, but it will definitely benefit you. The next thing to do is to drink water. Trust me, you need it. The next thing to do is to do yoga or meditate. The next thing is to do your makeup or practice makeup. It's honestly like a form of art, and it's something to do instead of your phone. The next thing to do is to make a collage. I actually made a collage right there behind the camera. I will insert a picture on the screen, but making collages is honestly kind of fun. The next thing to do is to color in an adult coloring book, and honestly, it's kind of relaxing just to, you know, chill and color. The next thing to do is to start a garden, or garden a garden that you already have, or plant a plant, just anything involving gardening. The next thing is to do something kind for someone, and hopefully they'll pay it forward. The next thing is to go shopping. Make a friendship bracelet. Making friendship bracelets is so much fun. It's so underrated. If you guys want to learn how to make a friendship bracelet, there are so many tutorials on YouTube. I'll try to link a few down below. Or even if you want me to make a little tutorial, I know how to make like the basic friendship bracelet, and it's really easy. It takes a lot of time, but it's honestly entertaining, and you get to have a bracelet. So the next thing is to have a self-care day. Take a long bath, beauty rest, and put on a face mask. Just take a self-care day. The next thing is to go to a concert, show, or play. I know this might sound kind of weird, but it's gonna be worth it, because plays and like concerts are super entertaining and so much fun, especially if you go with your friends. The next thing is to bake. The next thing is to write a song. Writing a song is actually so much fun and just lets you get your creative juices out. So the next thing is to write someone a letter. Even if you write like a little kid in your life a letter, like I know when I was a kid, getting mail was like a huge thing. Like when I was like, you know, 5, 6, 7, when I got something in the mail, it was like, wow, like I got mail. So try to do that for somebody. The next thing is to do your homework or plan. The next thing is to clean your room. And next is to organize. I know all of those go kind of hand in hand, but they are all things to do, and they will help you be productive. So Oh, and if you want to be productive, I actually have a video on productivity apps, so check that out. Next thing to do is to play with a pet. You probably spend so much time on your phone that you don't give your pet enough attention and love, so if you just take 30 minutes to go hang out with your pets, I'm sure that they will appreciate it. The next thing is to draw, paint, or just do art in general. It's super fun and relaxing, and it just lets you take your mind off of things. The next thing is to write a poem. The next thing is to go outside and write. And speaking of going outside, the Invincible Collection, who is sponsoring today's video, they have so many cool shirts and just clothing and also hats and beanies, and their beanies are so soft and so cute. I'll put it on for you right now, but they're so cute and I definitely recommend. They're super affordable, and like, I'm super grateful that they are sponsoring today's video, so be sure to go check them out. It's super great quality, it's really soft, it's not itchy, and it's really cute, and I love the little pom-pom. It's really fun. So check them out in the description and follow them on Instagram. The next thing is to spend time with family. I'm sure that your family has noticed that you've been lost in your phone, especially if you're watching this video, so go spend time with them. The next thing is to learn or practice an instrument. Personally, I play the ukulele and violin, and it's honestly so fun. This is my very out of tune baritone ukulele, so I definitely recommend learning ukulele. It doesn't matter what type of ukulele it is, but it's super fun, and any instrument, honestly. So the next thing is to learn a language, whether it's Spanish, French, Japanese, whatever you want. It is something fun to do. Or even sign language. I've been trying to learn sign language, or like the alphabet. The next thing and last thing I have for you is to read a book. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video, and let me know how much time you spend on your phone on average, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video, so bye.